Hey guys, welcome out to another episode of the Next Stop Wildlife Show Australia. Today we're out at South Lawson on Wayne Caveman Keys, and this is the Yabby Hunter. And we're going to take you for a walk out along the 4 waterfalls walk route out at South Lawson. A magic place, man, rainforest bro. Beautiful. So, without further ado, me, Caveman Keys, and the Yabby Hunter take you out for the walk today. See you guys on the next stop. Yeah. Mad, eh? Let's get out there.
Absolutely wicked, eh? Adelina Falls. Mate, couldn't find a better place, eh? We'll be going camping here, me and Hado. Absolutely not. This place is off tap. Absolutely off tap, man. How magic's this place, Hado? Massive rock escarpments, water dripping from everywhere. South Lawson, Adelina Falls. Man. That's wicked, Hado. What a place, mate. So, this is Adelina Falls. Mad. Mad. Out here with a Yabby Hunter. Mad, bro. Adelina Falls. Beautiful. Oh, mad, mate. Mad caves. Mad rock escarpments. Just beautiful. Some of the tree ferns. Look how old the tree ferns are, man. Look at the base of those tree ferns. They're just massive, eh? Beautiful. Next up, we've got a beautiful yellow robin, eastern yellow robin. And he's just on the signpost there, out at the Falls Walk, and off he goes to his next stop, which was right close to me. So yeah, he was just on this signpost. How awesome's that? Eastern yellow robin. Pure magic. Look at this place, Junction Falls. And there's Hado. This is wicked, Hado. Yeah! A beautiful Junction Falls. And it's called Junction Falls because just over a bit further up the hill here, there's another falls as well. Magic temperate rainforest. One of the best walks you'll find out on the Blue Mountains. Absolute corker. The 5 Falls Walk. Way, watch yourself there, Hado. Nearly got you stacking it on film, bros. Easy does it, Yabby Hunter. And he's off hunting yabbies. Yeah. The Yabby Hunter copped it off the Yabby. He's in there after the Blue Mountains. It's not his best view. Next stop we hit Federal Falls. Mad place with Hado. Beautiful spot. Absolutely magic. Massive big rock overhang here. That's just mad. Temperate rainforest at its absolute best here. Just beautiful. Hey folks, that was the last stop on the Cumberland Express for this mad Thursday out at the Blue Mountains at South Lawson. Hope you enjoyed the show. If you did,
press that little subscribe button, give us some subscribe, some likes, really appreciate that, guys. So, from me, Wayne Key, the Caveman, and Yabby Hunter, we'll see you on the next stop. Mad brother.
Oh, how cool. On the way back to the car, we see a beautiful female king parrot. Absolutely magic. Beautiful birds these guys are. Out on the Blue Mountains, magic. Our next stop, what an absolute ripper. The bronze-winged dove. Beautiful reflections down those wings. Some really, really pretty colouring all down the neck, that bluey grey, and lovely white colouring all down the brow. Got a magnificent greeny, like a bronzy tinge all down those wings. When the light hits those at the right angle, it's just amazing. So yeah, we'll take you out with a bronze-winged dove. We'll get back in the car and head home. Hope you enjoyed the show. If you did, subscribe, give us some likes, really appreciate it, guys. So, till next time, guys, we'll see you on the next stop. What an absolute ripper of a day, folks. The beautiful peachy colour all down that chest. Magnificent.
Okay, we're out at the beautiful Campbelltown at Smith's Creek, taking a walk with Caveman and Wildman. What's that, Wildman? There's a koala up the tree there, mate.
Oh no.
Oh, that's just magic, folks. We'll take you out to the koala camp right now.
That's not a koala, that's a drop bear.
It's a rare drop bear.
Okay, guys, that was the last stop on the Cumberland Express for today. Hope you really enjoyed the show. Till tomorrow, see what we got on the next stop, guys.